Hey, good morning everybody. It's John with GreenKey. We're on site on our next installation, and today's is going to be a little bit different than normal. It's going to be a Altium Power-Up Level 2 charger. It's a 100 amp charger. Got it right here on the ground. So we're going to be installing a 100 amp circuit. We're going to be coming out of the panel in the garage, which is right over here, with a 100 amp breaker, and then we're going to be running our conduit up across the ceiling into that corner. We'll ride that corner over and then come down the wall, and we're going to be installing a 100 amp main breaker disconnect and then the charger right beside it. So we're going to go ahead and get started on the installation, and when we're done we'll let you know what it looks like. See y'all soon. All right, so we just wrapped up our installation. We'll show y'all what it looks like. Again, this is a 80 amp Altium Power-Up charger. You can see we've got our 100 amp breaker, EV charger into our junction box, running in 1-inch EMT conduit. We ran number 3 THHN copper. See, we got our C there. Coming down into our disconnect, which was part of this job, to install a disconnect for this. Since we're line of sight, we don't really have to have one, but we went ahead and installed it since that's what they wanted us to do. And here is our charger. And that's all we have. Hey, there's Chase.
Another one in the books.
Yes, sir. That's all we have for today. Hope y'all have a great one. We'll see you next time.